Ever looked at your trusty old mountain bike and wished it had a secret superpower? What if you could transform it into an absolute electric beast, ready to conquer any hill or commute with effortless speed? Well, that's exactly what the BAFANG mid-drive kit promises, and from what we've seen, it delivers. This isn't just a motor, it's a complete heart transplant for your bicycle, offering options from the robust 500W and 750W BBS 02B to the truly monstrous 1000W BBS HD. We're talking serious torque here, up to 120 Nm for the BBS 02 and an incredible 160 Nm for the BBS HD. Imagine that kind of pulling power under your pedals. It means those steep inclines that used to make you groan will now feel like a gentle slope, and rough terrain becomes a playground. Whether you're hauling groceries, tackling a challenging trail, or just enjoying a leisurely ride, the smooth, powerful acceleration makes everything more enjoyable. Plus, you get the flexibility of throttle, pedal assist, or just good old standard riding. What's really impressive is how complete this kit is. BAFANG hasn't just given you a motor, they've thought of almost everything. You get essential accessories like brake levers or sensors, a sprocket, a thumb throttle for instant power, a speed sensor, and even a headlight. They even throw in the removal tool, which is a thoughtful touch. And crucially, you have the option to add a battery and an LCD display, letting you customize your build exactly to your needs. Now, you might be wondering about compatibility. The good news is this BAFANG kit is designed to be pretty universal. It fits most standard bikes with 68 to 73 mm, 100 mm, or even 120 mm bottom brackets, and an inner diameter of 33.5 to 36. That covers a huge range of mountain bikes, road bikes, and city commuters. But, and this is important, always double-check your frame specifications. You need to make sure your bike's rear wheel bracket and gears won't interfere with the motor installation. A little measurement beforehand saves a lot of headaches later. The intelligent control system is another highlight. With color displays like the DPC-18, 860C, or the Bluetooth-enabled 750C, you get a modern, clear interface right on your handlebars. All the vital info is there: speed, battery voltage, your current assist level, mileage, and even real-time motor output. And with 1 to 5 or even 9 levels of assist, you can fine-tune the power delivery to match your physical strength or the demands of the road. It truly puts you in control. Choosing the right battery is key, and BAFANG offers solid options. For the 500W or 750W motors, you're looking at 48 V13A or 20A packs. If you're going for the full 1000W BBS HD experience, the 52 V20A battery is the way to go. These aren't just any batteries. Each cell is rigorously tested, promising over 2,000 charge-discharge cycles, which is fantastic for longevity. And with an intelligent BMS protection board, you're covered against overcharge, overdischarge, overvoltage, and all those other things that can shorten a battery's life. It's peace of mind for your powerful new ride. Overall, the BAFANG mid-drive kit isn't just a product. It's an invitation to rediscover cycling with a whole new level of excitement and capability. It transforms your existing bike into a formidable e-bike, making every journey an adventure. If you're looking to inject serious power and smart control into your ride, this kit is an incredibly compelling option.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.